Quick announcement, just to announce the silent auction winners. Fenstyle Vineyards and Winery Tour and Tasting. Winner Seema Lokre, thank you very much. Still Life Blue 1 by Dr. Chilan Mukherjee. Winner Rupa Bansal, thank you very much. 1 week rental of luxury condo in Miami. Winner Ramesh and Seema Lokre, thank you very much. Some employee of Saicon is, no, they are going as for the second honeymoon, so, right?
It's me, Ramesh.
Hope Springs Eternal by Jillian L. Winner Mitch Stevenson, thank you very much. Most important, except for the condo, all other gift items, please take it home with you. It needs to come home, okay? The condo, you need to go to the condo, yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Also, I really wanted you guys to settle down before I talked about this very briefly. Ravi and I worked on this. Ravi worked tireless hours to kind of, be behind the scenes, and unfortunately, despite his good intentions and, all his heart, he cannot be here because his father is ailing. The good news is he's recovering, but he's ailing in India. So Ravi is, his emotions and heart is here as we speak. So please send your best wishes and prayers to Ravi and his father for a very speedy recovery. We'll see Ravi and then we'll repeat this show again. So Ravi, we are thinking of you. Thank you.
And before we continue, just want to do a brief recap. I think some folks didn't get all the names on stage, so very briefly, I am Sanjeev Ramabhadran. To the right is Amol Khanapurkar on tabla, and Srikant Balaji on the vocals. So this next piece we're going to present for you, it's something very, very special that I would suspect that not too many folks in the audience have heard before. So I'd like Srikant to say a few words about it before we launch into it.
Srikant, take the other mic.
In fact, Raja was kind enough to invite me and Amol last year to Kansas City in January. Same setting, same auditorium, and that was the first time I presented this song. This was a request from Raja. He introduced me to the artist who originally sung it. And this year when I was coming back, speaking of Ravi, I think a very strong request came from Ravi that I perform this song again. So I hope I can live up to what I did last year and not repeat the mistakes that I did last year and not make any new ones. This song is again in Punjabi. It is again from the Sufi tradition and the words of Baba Bulle Shah. Has been sung by, it's a very famous song, has been sung by various artists. The version I'm presenting has been performed by a contemporary singer known as Master Salim. You can find his clips on YouTube. He's a phenomenal singer with a terrific voice and terrific control. And what I'm going to present is only about 10% of what he can actually do with this song. So I hope I do justice to the song. The song is also in Thet Punjabi, which is some of the words are in a very rural dialect. And I myself have a very rudimentary knowledge of Punjabi, having grown up in Delhi. So I took the help of a friend of mine to help me decipher the words and some of the meanings behind the song. She said, well, she was Punjabi, she said, I don't know too much about it, I'm going to ask my mother-in-law. And she called up her mother-in-law. Her mother-in-law heard the song, translated about half of it and said, for the other half, I'll go to my mother-in-law. So, the lyrics are coming to you today courtesy of two mother-in-laws. So if I make any mistakes, that's the disclaimer.
You guys say anything bad about mother-in-laws?
Yeah, exactly. गमा बड़ा चरखा गमा बड़ा चरखा दे दुखां दियां पूनियां हाय मैं जो जो कत्ती जवानी होण पईयां दूनियां कत सकनी ना बललिए कुड़िए कत सकनी ना कत सकनी ना कत सकनी ना बललिए कुड़िए नी तेरी पूनियां दी परी चिंगारी मेरे दिल विचों उठ दिए हो मेरे दिल विचों गमा बड़ा चरखा मक्के गया गल मुकदी नहीं ओ पावे सौ सौ जुम्मा पढ़ आए मक्के गया गल मुकदी नहीं ओ पावे सौ सौ जुम्मा पढ़ आए गंगा गया गल मुकदी नहीं ओ गंगा गया गल मुकदी नहीं ओ पावे सौ सौ गोते खाइए गंगा गया गल मुकदी नहीं ओ पावे सौ सौ गोते खाइए हो बुल्ले शाह बुल्ले शाह बुल्ले शाह गल पायो मुकदी जदों मैनू दिलों गवाइए इबादत कर न दे नल गल बनदी है इबादत कर न दे नल गल बनदी है किसे दी अज बनदी है किसे दी कल बनदी है पढ़ पढ़ इल्म किताबा सभे नाम रखा ले काजी पढ़ पढ़ इल्म किताबा सभे नाम रखा ले नाम रखा ले नाम रखा ले काजी हो फड़ तलवार दलावर बनया नाम रखा लिया गाजी हो मक्के जा जा हज गुजारे मक्के जा जा मक्के जा जा हज गुजारे नाम रखा लिया हाजी पर अजे कबूलिया कुछ नहीं ओ बनया जे तू यार निकीता राजी मेरे दिल विचों उठ दिए हो मैनू शू माया मैनू याद आवदा सुन चरखे मिठी मिठी माया मैनू याद आवदा मेरे दिल विचों उठदी है माया मैनू याद आवदा सुन चरखे मिठी मिठी ਫਕਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੁੱਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਵਸਦਾ ਫਕਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੁੱਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਵਸਦਾ ਜੱਗ ਪੈਣਾ ਐਵੇਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਉਹ ਜੱਗ ਪੈਣਾ ਐਵੇਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਫਕਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੁੱਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਵਸਦਾ ਉਹ ਫਕਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੁੱਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਵਸਦਾ ਜੱਗ ਪੈਣਾ ਐਵੇਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਉਹ ਜੱਗ ਪੈਣਾ ਐਵੇਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ मार जानी है जिंद उड़ानी ओ मैना ने रह जाना इत्थे मार जानी है जिंद उड़ानी पैसे दी खातिर आए वही बंदा बंदे दा है बैरी मेरी मेरी एवें बंदा लाई रखदा मेरी मेरी एवें बंदा लाई रखदा जग पैना एवें सानू गल्लां दसदा फकरां दी कुल्ली विच रब वसदा फकरां दी कुल्ली विच रब वसदा जग पैना एवें सानू गल्लां दसदा ओ जग पैना एवें सानू गल्लां दसदा फकरां दी कुल्ली विच रब वसदा सुन चरखे दी मिठी मिठी माया मैनू याद आवदा मेरे दिल विचों उठदी है माया मैनू याद आवदा सुन चरखे मिठी मिठी माया मैनू याद आवदा सुन चरखे दी मिठी मिठी
Like it?
Daniel, please tell your kids that all the words are in Punjabi, there are no English words. There are no English words in this song, okay? And you know what I'm talking about.
Nice.